So what? Look, what it is. It's for wiping your glasses.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Let me see your glasses. Super nice. I love it.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back
To our channel.
It's currently
Friday.
Friday.
It's a Friday today.
12:21 ng hapon.
Is it a Friday today?
No, the day after Friday. What is it?
First day.
That's before Friday.
A.
I
know. No, I want to do it by myself.
Okay.
Saturday.
Good job. Well done. Alam niyo ba guys, naghihintay lang kami dito sa kanyang tatay. Hindi pala si Daddy Mike. Si Celine. So, si baby Celine natin ay nagnanap. And then, yung plano ni Daddy Mike is dadalhin namin to sila sa
Daddy's sleeping.
Play center. So,
I'm so excited.
Oh, okay na. Okay. Keep talking, anak. Hindi tayo makapagsalita pa. Ito yung kasama ko sa camera.
I'm making a car for Tita Andre.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful.
And I write stuff in there. I'll show you back.
Alam niyo, very artistic to siya. Creative mind. Sobrang hilig niyang gumawa ng mga cards. Ganyan. Oh, tingnan niyo. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang sinulat. Kita na anak, be. Happy birthday. Siya lang yung nagsulat niyan.
But, swing my mistake, but pretend.
Too loud. I'm sleeping. Ayan o, happy birthday, Tito Andre. Oh, siya lang yung nagsulat niyan.
I'm still decorating.
Tinatanong lang niya ako kung anong letter yung isusulat niya. Anyway, so yun na nga. Ito yung pa-outfit ni Mami Display. Ayan yun, tapos ito guys. Alam niyo ba, this is from Okay. Sobrang type ko lang. First time ko siyang sinuot. And very, ang tawag dito, very madam na madam ang aking, ano ito, tingnan niyo, oh.
So that's
royalty.
the rig.
Ganyan yan siya, pero kasi casual lang. Ganyan. So, sabi ko, mag-vlog ako before magising si Baby Celine, tapos alis kami. Tapos na tayo dito, guys. Kumakain ako ng manina. Ayan,
This
palit
baby was
na
really cute.
Nilungag naman yun.
One is
Ang tawag.
light pink and
Anong tawag sa Tagalog niyan, guys?
purple one.
Basta comment nyo na lang, guys. Hindi ko alam.
We don't have
Watermelon.
any blue. Okay,
So,
light blue.
meron pala tayong unboxing na gagawin. Kasi, alam
Hey,
nyo ba?
Mommy, don't put it right there.
Sorry, my love. Hey, sit down here, Ate. Oh, so they can see you, Ate.
But wait.
Meron tayong unboxing na gagawin. Dumating to siya 2 days ago ata. So, hindi ko siya na-unbox. Busy ang life ng lola niyo. Sabi ko, i-unbox ko ngayon. So excited. Are you excited na?
Yeah.
It's always exciting naman talaga kapag nag-unbox ko. Kasi, binili mo to para sa rare.
Let's see what it is.
Can you guess na what's inside the box?
Actually, no.
Okay, that's what I'm asking you to guess. Can you guess?
A handbag.
I think this is too small for a handbag, sweetie.
Oops. Maybe a little handbag can fit.
A little handbag? No. No?
Sling its passport.
Oh, that's one thing pala, Celine's passport is here now. Pakita nga natin yung passport. Pakita
Is that right? In the
Celine.
box?
No, wala. Kaya passport pa. We'll show. Kita nila yung passport. Ito on top of Daddy's laptop. So, dumating na yung passport. Oh, finally. So, it's under that knock. Yeah, that one. So, na-process siya. I think just a little over, a month. Yung pag,
There it is! I can see!
Yeah, baby, show me. Baby, I don't show the details. Yung picture lang.
Look at that! Super cute!
Lala, sarado na.
So cute!
Very cute, di ba? Grabe, guys.
Whoops.
Ito yung mukha. Umiiyak pa siya
Mommy,
nito.
Flame's face is so cute!
I know. Nakita niyo yung nag-vlog kami nito. Remember na we vlog when we went to get this photo and she was crying on the floor. Remember? Buti na lang nakunan talaga siya after how many shots. Ganyan ang Australian passport.
Definitely the same colors or not
So
the
it
same
means makakapag-book na tayo ng ticket. So actually this weekend gagawin natin yan. So i-book natin yung ticket niya tsaka ni Daddy Mike. Super happy about this one kasi nag-iisip ako baka hindi dumating in time. Alam ko naman na ang tawag ito, mapaprasya siya, wala naman yung problema. But yung timing ba?
Right.
Alam niyo naman si mami niyo, nag-worry ka agad.
And that's your
Anxiety na talaga yung mami
something
niyo.
on here.
So, open this one. Ding, ding, ding.
What is it? Let's see.
Sit down, Nak, because they can't see you. Nak, sit down here with mama.
Let's see.
So, show them the box.
I'm so excited to see what's in here.
Bakit abog man? Abog.
What's in here?
So, it is from Gentle Monster. Siguro may idea na kayo guys no kung ano to.
I think that's glasses.
How did you know? How did you know? Very smart talaga tong ating baby
It's
girl.
glasses.
It's Sunny's. It's Sunny's. Binili ko to siya online guys kasi walang Gentle Monster dito sa Australia. So online lang siya and then luckily Inco, INCU, yun yung store na parang reseller ng Gentle Monster na na sunglasses. So, since wala din kaming Inco dito guys kasi, ewan ko Inco ba pag-pronounce yung guys? Basta INCU.
I made a pen.
Meron doon sa Melbourne, pero wala dito sa
I'm going to see it. I'll open it.
You'll break it.
I won't.
You should be gentle. That's why it says Gentle Monster. You have to be gentle. Oh,
Let me see. Let me see.
That's what it looks like.
I'll be really gentle.
Wow. Oh my God.
This.
Masubang. Tignan natin.
Let's see what's in here.
Oh, mama,
What's this?
what's in here? Ito yung dyan,
Mom,
store.
can I open the box?
Hang on, sweetie. Wait for mama.
Mommy.
Hang on. Ayan. So, dyan ko yan
Mommy,
siya
I want
binili.
to open the handbag. I'll be ready. Be careful.
Meron ba siyang mga abog-abog, guys? Oh my goodness.
It's a well. Look, what is this? It's for wiping your glasses.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Let me see your glasses. Super nice. I love it.
Alam niyo na to, guys. Kasi,
Let's
I
take this
first
out.
saw this one. I know I'm very late to the party kasi ito siya naging uso noong
And I'm going to
Crash
place it
Landing
there.
on You. Alam niyo si Yoon Siri nagsuot nito? Yung leading lady ni Yoon Bin. So that's why I think since then naging very late uso na kasi ilang years na yun guys, but then ngayon ko lang na pull yung trigger na bili nito. Ayan, nakabalok na.
Oh,
Pull this one.
so cool. That's so cool. Let me have a try.
Have a look.
Can I have a try?
Very, hang on, just give me a second. Let
Mommy,
me just
is
show
that-
it to tita and tito. So that's what it looks like.
Mommy.
Nakita pala siya guys. Oh, akala ko black na black siya.
Mommy, do you have the same ones?
It's a different one, anak. Very, talaga siya. Kaya ba tinatawag na flat? Ito yung sabi nila guys na tinatawag na flat BA. Kasi yung kanyang, ay very flat talaga as you can see. Oh, walang curve. Wala kang curve na makikita dyan. Try nga natin. Nakabalok na. Mama, wakaba.
Good.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Be? Wow, be? Iba talaga.
We're missing a hand.
Do you like it na?
I do.
Parang iba talaga yung hindi ko masyadong nakikita yung sarili ko sa camera guys. Kasi alam niyo naman, pag hindi ako nagsusuot ng glasses, ay hindi ako nakakakita. Very blurry yung vision ko. But, ito siya ay, ko lang, pagsuot ko kapag nagsuot ako ng contact lenses. Ganun. O, diba? Sobrang cute niya, guys. Oh, I really like it. Come here, Nakbe. I'll put it on you and see if it looks good on you, babe. It will look good on you for sure. Oh,
Let me have a try.
okay, take this off, sabi. Wow, uy, tagak mo na.
Good. Good.
Babe, wow. Ay, katagak man. Wala pa may gawad. Dako lagi kay guys. It's very, very wide. Pero maganda siya, ha? Kasi normally, yung mga sanis na nabibili ko, nagtatouch siya dito sa aking, sa aking cheeks. Kasi malaki yung cheeks natin, especially yung mga Asian, or ano talaga, parang malaki yung cheekbone natin ba. Pero dito siya, okay lang, babe.
Mommy, I'm all done. See?
Good girl, my love.
And look.
Oh,
Look on the front.
I like it.
Look in the front. Look in the front.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang ginawa, oh.
Okay. That's so pretty.
Kakagising lang ng ating baby girl. Da! Da! How was your nap, Bobby Gil? Did you have a good nap?
Charlie.
Hmm? Yes?
That's so good.
Mama!
Sounds so good.
Mama!
This dog.
Ikaw ba? Mama! Ayun, Mama's falling. Agay, agay. Agay, agay. Agay, agay. Have a look, babe. Have a look in the window. Oh, what's in the window? Wait. Nak, did you wake Selena up, Nak, when you came in here to check her? Did you?
No.
Or was she already awake? Huh?
He wasn't awake before, but I checked her by myself. Light going down.
Hala, ngiti
Light
tayo.
going down.
Lelele. Binihisan ko na yan siya kanina ba? Before siya natulog. Ay, sus, may pa, ano pa siya, may pa dress. Nak! Stop doing it, Nak. You'll break it, ate. Yolo.
Oops, sorry.
Oh, enough na. That's enough. Isn't that right, sweetie girl?
I'm upside down.
Upside down. Okay. What are you doing there? Yan yung gustong gawin ni Lily, guys, oh. Mapasok siya dyan sa gilid ba?
It's right there.
I know, right? Oh, yeah. You have to wake Daddy up now.
Okay.
The little one is having... What are you having? Langga? Langga, what are you having? Watermelon. Yummy watermelon, mommy. Yummy watermelon, mommy.
Oh, mommy, that's mine.
Huh? You had some of yours already, anak. You had some. See, Lily's loving it. Where's your noodles, man? Go get your noodles, go.
I'm having this.
Ay, nak, may show me your earrings up there. Tingnan niyo, pinalagay na naman niya. Hey, move there with Celine. Tingnan niyo. Diba? Bongga
I want to see, so
Yeah. There.
I'll have to look here.
Here, look here. Wow, the other one? You like it? One day, or actually soon, dalawa na to silang maghikaw-hikaw. Ito siya guys talaga, oh. Sobrang hilig niya sa mga passion. Oh, wow. Uy, careful. That side. Grabe. Nakamay, be? Ito siya, kain pa yun siya. Kain lang yun siya ng kain. Nakna! Yes! That's all you care for now. Dalawang kamay pa, oh. Ito naman ay nagluto ng ramen noodles. Ay. fresh from Korea. Ayan. Pero konti na lang yung naiwan sa akin ng noodles kasi alam nyo, ang ating Ate Paris ay gusto ng noodles na malinis lang ba, yung walang flavor. So, pag niluluto ko yung ramen ko, kinukunan ko ng hati. Para kay Ate Paris. Ayan, sabaw na lang yung naiwan sa akin, guys. Pero, ganyan naman talaga ang buhay ng isang nanay. Mother equals sacrifice. Diba, bongga? Iba talaga, guys. Kapag nanay ka na, parang kahit wala ka nang makain, basta mayroon sa mga anak mo. Pinamihin ko lang ng sabaw. Para masarap. Matagal din maubos. Tignan nyo. Hey. It's 2 o'clock now. 2:10. To be exact. At finally, nakalabas na kami ng bahay. Ako ang nagsuot ng headband na to kasi iba yung headband na sinuot ni Ate Paris. Alam niyo ba? Feeling ko naaalala ko sa headband na to, guys, si Mami Mariel Padilla. Kasi diba, sobrang dami ng kanyang collection ng headband. And yan yung feeling ko ngayon. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Hi, galing eh. Yes, very nice backpack handle. Ang ating Ate Paris ay nag-base pala, guys. Nag-change kasi kumain ng mangga. Ang mangga ay ginanyan sa kanyang mukha, and all over her head.
What other thing I can do?
Hey, girl, where are you going?
Where are you going? I get to the head.
Hi! Hi! Oh, I don't touch that one. Ay, manghilabot na ganun niya sa ulo. Have a look at Ate Paris' backpack. Wow!
Cause
Kabongga siya yung backpack.
I got a new backpack and I'm going to Candy.
Are you?
Yeah.
Alright, go to Candy na ka.
Okay.
Bye! Enjoy Candy!
See you when I come home.
See you! Bye!
Bye-bye.
Alright. Nilabas namin ng pram, ilalagay namin sa sasakyan kasi we might need it for
Bye-bye.
later.
I'm going to Candy.
Alright, see you later!
I'm coming.
Alright, let's go.
This is just my backpack. But if you need anything, I'll go.
Sobrang kapasyonista niya, guys. So, ginawa na ng backpack ang plastic bag sa grocery.
Hi everybody, we're going to a play center today, but I don't actually use gloves. We're just going to be right here for a little vlog. And I
Nandito kami sa car wash. Are you right, Paris? Remember, sa Melbourne kami? Natatakot siya. I have seen this again. Kailangan na ng car malinis. Good.
Paris used to be really scared of that.
It's really fun. I like that swirling. Look. So fun.
Wow.
And which part do you like more?
So then right there.
I think it's off. Ooh.
And which part do you like? The swirling?
Yeah, I love it. So, like, which one do you like?
Paris. Clean the car now?
Yeah. Just buy my toothbrush.
How much did it cost, Daddy?
12.
12. How long do you reckon?
4 minutes?
3 minutes. Alam niyo ba, it's very sunny today, guys. It's 28 degrees in Brisbane. I'm very happy, Daddy Mike.
What are
Are you happy?
Of course I'm happy.
Oh, look at the water going.
Is that rinsing?
I can.
You right, Ling? Nanghawak ng toothbrush.
Uh-oh.
What?
What's the robot doing now? Is it drying?
Oh shit, is that good?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I think it's dry. Ah, see? See the water? Oh, yeah. I was scared. Wow. I thought it was going to hit the windows.
I wasn't scared.
Good job, Tyrus. You've done well.
That was fun. It's fun.
Oh, we're here now. Welcome to the jungle. So, ayan ang ating car. It looks cleaner than before. Worth it naman ang $12.
How did that
Ah.
happen?
Yes, clutch.
Mama, get a curve.
Come on, where's the entrance? Here.
Not bad, eh?
Huh? Yeah. Not bad.
Mama's
Let's
like
go.
Toyota.
Go.
Ding.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Watch out for the car.
Oh. Put your headband, Liniwe. What did you say?
I'm so sad. I could hide it.
So excited. Can't hide it. Jungle. Oh, have a look here, babe. Let's go. Ah, I'm not sure. Tingnan niyo. Ah, yeah, jungle time. $19.
Cash money?
Yeah. Why not?
Guys, that might be too scary for me.
Did you put lipstick on that? Huh?
No?
Like it? Did you buy it? Yay! Where are you going? You want to sit here? You want to sit here? Whoop. Come. Sit here. Oh, come on, you're good at that. Wow. Whew. Good job. Good job. Whoa, 1, 2. Now. Yeah. Good job. Woohoo. Well done, sweetheart. We're gonna to the slide. There, the slide is there. Huh? Oh, you wanna hold on this one? Oh, careful! Lee! Whoa! Are you okay? Are you alright, Lee?
Sit in the middle. Sit in the middle. Ready? Go, come on this side. That's the big one. That's the big girl. The blue slide over there. Lady.
I'll wait for you down there, okay? I'll wait for you down there. Okay? Come on. Good job. Good job. Wanna go silly now or what? Daddy. Share na, share lagi na. Share ba? So she will take it from you. Where's the go? Look. Skrilla anak. Look. Nega. Alang nung Yay! Hala. Hindi na. Enough. Sige dali.
Right.
So we are going to Kmart, guys, and Kohl's. We're getting something for Lini. She's starting to walk now, yeah. So we're gonna get her walker.
My toys.
Sa Kmart. Para maging independent na siya. So she can walk by herself. Then bili din tayo ng grocery mamaya. Lutuin for dinner. Okay.
Bye. Mommy, that's if you can catch me.
Yeah.
When I get close to you, you have to try to catch me.
Okay.
Yeah. When I get
No! Yeah, I know.
And do you know why we got this present for Celine?
Lainey! Bumili kami ng walker for Celine.
Yeah, you stand
From
up and walk.
Kmart.
Yeah, that's open it.
Open it. Move a little bit. Here. You wanna help, Lane?
Let's open it.
Open it. Sinipon to siya, guys, kasi ang kanyang araw.
That's definitely
Ano man?
out.
Palaging, ano ba? Nag-sneeze. Ay, anak.
Out.
We need the, ano?
Out.
Cutter. You go assemble. Hey, anak, my mama will do it, anak.
Ow.
Yeah.
It's harder than mine.
What, Celine?
What? What's your ow?
We got yours? It was me and, me and Tito Mimi. I can hold it. Lin.
So we definitely those on here. So let's get everything out of here. Oh, mommy, we definitely have to make it. We have to make it mine. We have to make through. Yeah, we need to put some batteries in there. We have to put batteries.
Oh, yeah. We need screw now.
Do we need big screw? We got some tools. And
Yeah, this is screwer.
And let's open it.
Good job. Let her go now. Good job.